Hey everyone, KT here. Ever been stuck in traffic and wished your car could just fly over everything? Well, guess what? In 2025, it's actually happening. We're talking about a flying car that costs Rs 25 at Lakh, which is about $30,000, and runs on AI. This isn't a toy or a movie prop, it's a real car you can buy soon. By the end of this video, you'll know if it's worth trading in your old car for this flying machine. And don't worry about crashing into birds. The AI has got you covered. So let's dive into what makes this flying car so special, how AI powers it, and if it's actually worth your hard-earned money. So, what's this flying car all about? Imagine a really cool drone that you can actually sit inside. It looks like something straight out of a sci-fi movie, but it's real. It takes off and lands vertically, so you don't need a runway, just some open space. Imagine driving to the park, switching to flight mode, and taking off. No more airport lines, no more long drives, just pure freedom. And forget about steering wheels and dashboards. This car has a sleek design with a giant touchscreen controlled by AI. You tell it where to go, and it takes care of everything else. It's like having your own personal pilot. Now you might be thinking about the battery life, but don't worry. This car runs on electricity and has a powerful engine that's good for the environment and super efficient. It also has a backup battery system that kicks in automatically if the main battery gets low, so you'll have plenty of time to land safely. You enter your destination and the AI figures out the best route, considering weather, air traffic, and even turbulence. You enter your destination. Safety standards, making it one of the safest ways to travel. I know what you're thinking, what if it breaks down in the air? Will I fall into someone's backyard? Relax. This car is built with multiple backup systems. It's like the engineers thought of every possible problem and said, nope, not gonna happen. First, the AI itself has backups. It's not just one computer, it's a network of processors that constantly check each other's work. So if one system fails, the others are ready to take over without you even noticing. Then there's the battery system. Remember the backup battery? Well, there's actually a second backup battery too. That's 3 power sources to keep you flying. And even if, somehow, all 3 batteries failed, the car has an emergency parachute that deploys automatically for a safe, controlled landing. The AI's obstacle avoidance system is always on, looking out for potential crashes with other aircraft, birds, drones, and even bad weather. And it's not just reacting, it's predicting. The AI uses its smarts to analyze air traffic and weather patterns, anticipating potential hazards before they even happen. But now for the big question, is it worth the Rs25 Lakh price tag? Okay, let's talk money. Rs25 Lakh is a lot of money. You could buy a fancy sports car, one that turns heads as you drive down the street, making you the envy of your neighborhood, or even a small house in some places, a cozy little home where you can start a family or invest in real estate. So is this flying car really worth it? To figure that out, we need to look beyond the price and consider the value it adds to your life. It's not just about the initial cost, but the long-term benefits and conveniences it brings. And I'm not just talking about how cool it is, though that's a big plus. Imagine the sheer thrill and excitement of owning something so advanced and futuristic. Imagine showing up to your next meeting in this thing. You'd make a grand entrance, leaving a lasting impression on your colleagues and clients. But seriously, the real value is the time and freedom it gives you. Time is the most precious commodity we have, and this car can give you more of it. Think about all the hours you waste stuck in traffic. This car eliminates that. No more sitting in bumper-to-bumper traffic, wasting precious moments of your life. You can fly over the traffic and reach your destination much faster. Imagine cutting your commute time in half, or even more. And it's not just about saving time, it's about reducing stress. The daily grind of driving can take a toll on your mental health. No more road rage, no more annoying detours, just you, the open sky, and your favorite music. It's a serene and peaceful way to travel. It's like having your own personal escape from everyday life. A sanctuary in the sky where you can unwind and relax. And hey, think about the bragging rights. Owning a flying car is a status symbol, a conversation starter, and a way to stand out. Oh, you have a sports car? That's cute. I have a flying car. It's the ultimate flex in today's world. But jokes aside, the real value is how this technology is shaping our future. It's a glimpse into a world where transportation is no longer bound by the limitations of roads and traffic lights. This isn't just a cool gadget, it's a peek into a world where transportation isn't limited by roads and traffic lights anymore. It's about innovation, progress, and the endless possibilities that come with it. This isn't just about one flying car. It's about how technology is changing transportation forever. Imagine a world where the sky is filled with vehicles, each one seamlessly navigating through the air, reducing congestion on the ground and making travel faster and more efficient. This is just the beginning. The advancements we're seeing now are only a glimpse of what's to come. The integration of AI and machine learning into these systems will revolutionize how we think about travel. The technology in this flying car is just a small sample of what's coming. Imagine dashboards that not only show you the way, but also predict and avoid potential hazards, ensuring a smooth and safe journey every time. We're on the verge of a transportation revolution, and AI is leading the way. With AI, our vehicles will communicate with each other, optimizing routes and reducing travel time significantly. Imagine a world where flying cars are as normal as electric scooters are today. This isn't a distant dream, it's a reality that's unfolding right before our eyes. You could hop into your personal air taxi and zoom across town in minutes, avoiding all the traffic below. No more being stuck in gridlock or waiting for public transport. And with AI handling everything from navigation to safety, it would be safer than ever. These systems will be able to make split-second decisions, reacting faster than any human could. But it's not just about personal transportation, it's about changing how we deliver goods, handle emergencies, and even plan our cities. The impact of this technology will be felt in every aspect of our lives. Imagine drones delivering packages precisely, flying ambulances reaching patients in remote areas quickly, or even cities designed for vertical transportation. The possibilities are endless and incredibly exciting. The best part, this future is closer than you think. The pace of technological advancement means that what once seemed like science fiction is now within our grasp. By 2030, flying cars could be a normal part of our lives. This isn't just speculation, it's a projection based on current trends and developments in the industry. And with improvements in battery technology and AI, they'll become even more affordable, efficient, and accessible. These advancements will make flying cars a viable option for more people. But this rapid technological advancement also means we need to adapt. Society will need to embrace these changes, just as we did with the transition from horse-drawn carriages to automobiles. Just like people who switched to electric cars early benefited, those who embrace this new era of transportation will be the ones shaping the future. Early adopters will set the trends and pave the way for others. So next time you're stuck in traffic, don't just get frustrated. Think about the future and how these innovations will change our daily lives. Look up at the sky and imagine the possibilities. The future of transportation is bright, and it's just around the corner. So what do you guys think? Ready to trade your car keys for a pair of wings? Let me know in the comments below, and while you're there, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on more awesome tech videos like this. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.